What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm extremely excited today. I got something very exciting in the mail today. Not sure if you can see, but this card right here says, "Will you be my bridesmaid?" So excited. My older cousin, who is like my twin, she asked me to be in her wedding, and she sent me this big old giant goodie box that I am going to unbox with you guys today. So without further ado, let's get started. Right inside, you guys can see this. First up is this cute little green box. It says the Pineapple Company. How cute! It says, what does it say? 2 brass pineapple shot glasses. Hey! My cousin is going to be getting married in Cancun in 2019. So this whole box is like tropical, airplane, bridesmaid mix, I guess you could say. So yes, 2 brass pineapple shot glasses. These will be getting a lot of good use. They're really heavy. Next up in this box, we have a cute little pink box that says, "Look at you. Look at me." Oh. It's a cute little compact mirror. Perfect for on the go. So next in this fabulous box is the carry-on cocktail kit. Now that is what I'm talking about, okay? It says the champagne cocktail. It comes with syrup, a 1/2 ounce jigger. What is a jigger? A bar spoon and a linen coaster. So let's open it up and see. Cute little mini spoon. Here is the syrup. Elderflower syrup. Look, as long as it tastes good in my cocktail, I don't care what goes inside. I'm guessing this is the jigger. And a cute little linen coaster with a cute little airplane on it. Super cute, super cute. Moving on, we have some treats. Who doesn't love gummy bears? Yes. Baby champagne bears from Sugarfina. Yum. And last but not least in this beautiful box are more goodies. Parisian pineapples. How cute. Also from Sugarfina. I will be breaking my diet for these little treats. Just letting you guys know. Last but not least, I think I showed you guys this already. The "Will You Be My Bridesmaid" card. Pretty long on the inside, a little sappy, a little personal, so I won't read it out loud. But safe to say, I am extremely excited, extremely honored to be standing by my cousin's side on her wedding day. If you guys know me, you know I love everything weddings. My favorite movie is The Wedding Planner with J-Lo. If you haven't seen it, go watch it right now. anyways. I'm very excited, and I know this video was a little bit random, has nothing to do with hair, but I just wanted to share this with you guys, and I hope you guys like it. So stay tuned for my next couple of videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.